going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Tom. Everybody else who's cool with Tom.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin. I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great day so far. Happy Mother's Day. I've got a special presentation for Mother's Day. Well, yeah, it's not so. It's a court. It's a court. It's not super special. We have a mama's boy getting berated by the judge for being lazy and not doing anything, and mom comes to the rescue. She comes out of the gallery and says, "No, judge, we are gonna do this." So it's kind of funny. It's a mama to the rescue. Judge Garcia out of Texas. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Andrew Styles, come on up. Are you Eric? Okay, I'll be with you shortly. All right, Mr. Andrew, you are here. TPS, help me out. I know this is driving while license invalid. ALR suspension, interlock. We reset it 30 days. Were we having some issues with the interlock?
Yes, because he had two interlocks. So he sent the release for one, but we're still missing the other one.
Where are we at on the other release?
That's kind of a surprise to me. Ever since I saw you last month, and I confirmed with the Universal City that all my stuff was paid off. I did pay my reinstatement fees. Really making an effort to get my driving privileges reinstated.
Okay, I understand, Mr. Andrews. We reset you for 30 days for a specific reason. Did you undo the interlock like DPS is required? Did you file the paperwork to get it released? Like we discussed last time, because I do remember.
No, I did not. And it's not procrastination, or it's not.
Then what is it?
I don't know how to go about it exactly.
And what phone have you picked up and what number have you called to try to get some information besides just coming here and waiting?
I tried to contact DPS through email.
Let me see your emails that you have tried to call. In DPS, do you have any emails for Mr. Andrew trying to notify you of anything?
No, Your Honor.
I'm not here to waste your time, the court's time, my time.
I don't like people wasting my time either.
All
so.
I'm trying to do is whatever.
Well, and that's what we're trying to get you to do, Mr. Andrew, but you come back here with absolutely nothing that you've done in 30 days. I've given you 30 days. You said you don't want to waste my time. That's exactly what it seems like it's going on, because in 30 days, you're sitting here in front of me with absolutely nothing, just like last time. We made it very specific that you needed to release that interlock. So I would assume my first call would be to your probation officer.
I have a probation officer.
Okay, then the court that suspended your license.
I completed everything.
I didn't say you didn't.
That's
I
why I'm
said to
confused.
notify the court of how to release you from that interlock. Nobody said you didn't complete your classes. Nobody said you didn't complete your probation. Nobody has mentioned that at all. So DPS, where did he need to go, or what does he need to do as explained last time?
All right. So this guy hasn't done anything. Well, I'm not gonna say he hasn't done anything. He hasn't done everything that he was supposed to do from 30 days ago. But I paused it for one reason. Mr. Dunn up there in the right hand corner. Now we are on a docket for people that are trying to get their license back. Mr. Dunn doesn't have his license, and he is in trouble right now because he doesn't have proof of insurance. So what does he do? He makes the smart decision to, you know what, I'm just gonna go to the insurance place while I'm in court and have them tell you that I am covered, which that's what he's doing. He's in the office. However, he was driving to the insurance company in court on video. So that was hilarious. Judge never calls him out on that. Otherwise, that would be the video for today. So, but I just wanted to point that out because kind of funny. We saw how Judge Simpson handled that, but Judge Garcia just didn't see him do it. All right, let's keep going on this guy.
During the same year, he had two driving while driving while intoxicated.
Mhm.
So he did get the release for one of them, but there's this other one that we still don't have the release from. And this one is it's from May 22nd, 2023, and it was in the city of Universal City. Well, no. It was on Shirts.
And sure, so this is Guadalupe County. Okay, and so does he need to go to Guadalupe County or the
Go to that judge that order the interlock, and that's the only judge that could release it.
So what happened in Shirts?
I've been arrested in Universal City. I've been arrested in Converse. I've been arrested by Converse PD. I don't recall ever being arrested in Shirts, so I don't. Well, do we live in Shirts? Do I live in? Our address is a Universal City address.
Okay, I understand you may live in Universal City. Did anything ever happen in Shirts that you got arrested for?
Not that I can think of.
Because there's a judge that that put an interlock, so it's kind of hard not to remember an interlock being issued out on somebody. I mean, I know I would remember if somebody put an interlock, issued me an interlock. I mean, that's the judge you need to go to release it.
I'm getting discouraged because I'm not trying to.
Well, nobody's gonna hold your hand, Mr. Andrews, so I don't know what you're wanting the court to do.
That's the first time I've heard. That's the first time I've heard about that. I didn't hear about that.
Here comes Mama. Mama just walked up. He's got something to tell the judge.
Last month.
All right, so give me one reason why I shouldn't suspend your license right now.
I'm really making an effort. I've paid my reinstatement fees. I'm trying to.
And what are you gonna do about this interlock?
I'm gonna do whatever I need to go, pay, see, call, email, do whatever possible. I've got an employer. I've got a supervisor that really wants me to get my driving privileges reinstated. You know.
Your Honor,
Mm-hmm.
I'm Andrew's mom. I know at one time he had a blow machine, that he would blow into. And
Yes, that's what we're talking about.
Okay, he
No.
completed that.
Okay,
Yeah,
so,
but it wasn't a apparatus attached to the vehicle
Yes.
itself.
yes.
Is that what y'all are inquiring about?
Yes, that was, a judge issued 2 of those, okay? And 1 got released, but 1 is still open.
And where is that?
Like I
judge?
told your son, it's in Shirts.
He wasn't
Okay.
ever arrested in Shirts.
Press again, and you will be escorted out of here.
Is that, is there a number or we can,
No, ma'am, that's gonna be your son's responsibility because he's gonna have to look it up at the Guadalupe Public Records. He's gonna actually have to do some research, pick up the phone, talk to somebody, interact with somebody, and find out, hey, he got in trouble.
okay,
So-
can we go to the police department in Shirts or the courthouse? What
I
shall
wouldn't
we
even
do?
tell you what courthouse to go to because I don't know. Shirts has got, I mean, downtown, obviously Guadalupe County has got a bunch of courthouses, just like Barrett County does. So I don't know what courthouse issued this. To start calling some people and, I mean, I would assume he would know something of where to start, but obviously he doesn't, so.
Okay, we'll do whatever we need to do to get this, taken care of.
Okay.
So he can get back.
So Mr. Andrews, I'm giving you a final 30 days.
Okay.
I don't know how much more clear I gotta make this to you, that if you do not come back here with that interlock released and everything else DPS is requiring you, you will walk out of here with your license suspended automatically. Do I make myself crystal clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want you to make sure that you walk out of here not confused, because I don't want to hear any excuse next time of, I didn't know what I needed to do. Nobody told me. I don't know what number to call. You are a grown man. Figure it out. You got yourself in this position. Get yourself out.
I've been making significant efforts.
Okay, well,
for
keep doing it. You're
over-
doing, then keep doing it. Nobody's saying you're not. You're almost there, but you're not there yet.
But I
So,
am confused.
Okay.
And I feel like I'm being berated for being confused. I need some guidance. I have a job. I have a family. I have people that I'm helping that help me.
Okay, that's
I'm
great.
trying to get my driving privileges reinstated.
Mhm.
Not
And we're
sus-
trying to help you get
I
it,
know.
but we're not gonna hold your hand to try to do it. Go ahead, DPS.
Just have in mind that your license, like, we did the reset for you to get all that stuff situated, but you're still not eligible because you have a mandatory suspension for that driving while intoxicated that is gonna end on January 29th, 2026. If she does the negative hearing, what is helping you is not to get another reinstatement fee added to your license.
So,
Oh, so the plot thickens. You don't have the release because you're still under the mandatory suspension, which explains why you have an interlock. I just thought it was something old, maybe. I still don't understand how you could have forgot about it. But he doesn't have an interlock on his car. He doesn't know what court. Something tells me he might be absconding from that probation. I don't know. I don't know how Texas runs, but yeah, maybe that's why he's avoiding it. He's about to go to jail if he shows up in that courthouse. I have no idea. Just speculation. All right. There's only about 30 seconds left of this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Please hit that like button. I would appreciate it. And until next time, bye.
in other words, your license is suspended until January of 2026, no matter what I do.
Right.
And then,
Okay.
if this will help, that's the number of the case that you got. That's the interlock release that you need to
There you
work
go.
with.
That's your key. Now, DPS just literally handed you the missing piece that you're looking for.
I really appreciate that.
So
That's what I've been spending time on.
30 days. 30 days. You got a case number, you know where to start. Okay. Start calling the courts. That case number is identical to each specific court. Every court has a different style of case numbers. So I don't know what style that is. I don't know where it's from, but that is a great start. You can start picking up the phone, start calling downtown Guadalupe and say, hey, I have this case number, and they'll tell you if it's county court, district court, whatever court it is, the 124th or whatever it is, whatever number, and then you can get a hold of the secretary and start setting up some situations on how to get that released from you, okay?
Okay.
You got 30 days, Andrew, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. Come on up, Eric.